What's cracking, all you stoners and stonettes out there in YouTube land? Today I'm back with another strain review. I have Amnesia Haze. This Amnesia Haze is by Holistic Remedies, and I'm going to rename it. I'm going to call it Chewbacca Bud. Why Chewbacca Bud? Because it's hairy like Chewbacca, and it smells and tastes like a Wookiee. And you know what? That's not a very good thing. So yeah, I was warned against this by the bud tender. He told me that, look, I wouldn't even want you to give this away to anybody. And so I'm like, you know what? I trust them. I trust these people. I trust the wise men down there at Capital City Care. But I suffer for my art. I suffer for y'all. So I threw the money down, and I bought this Amnesia Haze, knowing full well, it probably wasn't going to be so good. But I went into it with the whole scientific mindset of, you know what, I'm not going to listen to what he said. I'm going to keep an open mind. I'm going to see how it works for myself. And I didn't like what I found out. Not at all. I'm going to give y'all a little shot. I'm going to give it a chance here again. See if it's any better the second time around. And I'll let you know. You could take this to a galaxy far, far away and smoke it there. We don't want to smoke it here. Not in this galaxy. Nope. Not in this galaxy. So yeah, that I'm going to give 1.5 stars. Should not have been sold. Should not have been grown at a dispensary. I'd imagine this to come from somebody's basement or some shit like that. Someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Holistic Remedies, step your game up. You can't be doing this. We want to stay stoned, and you're not helping us. So, help us stay stoned.